or something, because he's invasive. They're supposed to be on the mainland. He's the only one on this whole island.
Are you
Yeah, yeah.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
I'm glad I said that to you.
Yeah.
We live
So my friend Roger invited me over to his place to stay a few nights with the camper. He said you can take the camper off and you can wash it all up and stay a couple nights, and so that was super nice of him. And he said you can park behind my house. But the only problem is that there's all these low-hanging trees, so I'd have to cut all these down or I'd scratch my RV up. And then once you get back here, you don't realize how big the RV is, but there's also some low-hanging trees right there, so I wouldn't be able to get way back in his yard. Thank you, Roger. If you're watching this, I appreciate it. You guys will probably meet him later on in the vlog or one of the future vlogs. But I got to give a shout out to his company. It's Roger's AC. He does all kinds of work on motorhomes, RVs, big trucks. He works on the buses down at my work, and he's one of the best. He's one of the best I know. So if you are in Victoria and need some work on your RV, Rogers, give him a call. There's his number right there. I've got to plug him. I've got to plug him. I am actually going to give my RV a nice little bubble bath. It deserves it. It is filthy. And so that is what we're going to do today. Clean this RV up and make it look perfect. Like, look at this. That's unacceptable. Unacceptable. Clean my RV forever. It's like for you. And rubber roof cleaner. So I'll spray it on, wash it off, or spray it on, scrub it down, and then wash it off. It really does make a difference. I mean, you guys might not be able to see it, it's pretty bright up here, but it really does whiten the roof up. Look at what I found in my gutter. This crab. It's probably from the seagulls. I've got a little bit of wash and wax here. It just says put 2 ounces per gallon of water, so I just dumped a little bit in this this pot of water here, and it'll give it that nice shine. Two sides done, 2 sides to go. I did the other side and the front, now it's this side and the back, and the back is like the dirtiest and the hardest to clean because, well, I'll show you. Trying to get my brush in and around this ladder is very annoying. All right, now the finishing touches. It's crazy on white how much stuff actually shows up. Like it still looks dirty, but as soon as you wipe her down, then that's when you get that real nice, beautiful, glossy, white shine. Black tires make a vehicle look phenomenal, no matter if it's clean, no matter what kind of vehicle it is. Tire shine. I mean, how much better does that look? Doesn't she look pretty? Oh, gorgeous. I love I love cleaning my vehicle. I am going to jump in my truck and camper. I have a staff meeting I have to go to. I actually just got pulled out of the meeting. A little piece of work came up. We're going to pick up a group. I'm actually not really sure what's happening. I think we're gonna go pick up a group of people, but it's a road that we've never really been down before. So I think I'm going just kind of support if we need to back a bus out of an area, and I can go out and stop traffic and all of that. So that's what I am doing right now. Look at how beautiful these trees are. Look at these cherry blossoms. Oh my goodness. Someone's taking a picture of them right there. And by the way, if you ever jump on a tour bus, these are the seats that you want. The front seats are the best seats in the house. This is our bus driver today. This is Bruce.
And if you are going to be on a tour in Victoria, you want to have the best tour bus driver available.
Which is him.
Which
is him.
Which is me.
Yes, it is.
You know, I've been voted. It wasn't me.
No.
My peers have said.
Yes, I've said it too. I vote Bruce every time. If you come to Victoria, get a tour from Bruce. Oh, and we're picking people up at the Empress Hotel too. So we're just pulling in the Empress.
There's a groundhog.
Oh, is it right there? Oh yes, it is. I think it's a marmot.
A marmot?
A marmot, and it's a an invasive. Oh, it's coming over here.
Yeah, good call, marmot. That's
Yeah.
good.
So it's he thinks I have food. He came over on like a shipping barge. See that, guys? That's a marmot. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, kid, I'm sorry. I don't have food for you. They said he came over on a trailer or something because he's invasive. They're supposed to be on the mainland. He's the only one on this whole island.
What?
Yeah.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
I'm glad I said that to you.
Yeah.
We live out the East Coast.
Isn't he so cute? So yeah, that's really quite neat. That is an invasive marmot, and it came over, they say, like by a boat or trailer or something, and it hopped off and it stayed here. And there's marmots on this island, but not that type, and so he's the only one on this whole entire island, and he lives in that little area just out front of the Empress. And I'll tell you more, I just don't know much about marmots.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails were...
There's people getting on the bus now. I got shunned to the back. It feels weird sitting at the back of the bus. All right, we just let some people off here, and now we are going to go investigate or inspect a road, apparently. We're gonna see if this bus can get down a certain road for tomorrow's pickup.
4 of them.
We made it. The road's A-OK. You can bring a full-size 45-foot coach down here. Safety first, right?
Yeah.
But look at how narrow this road is.
The girl in the Volkswagen.
She was terrified. I don't think she's ever seen a bus come down here. With these big buses, you got to worry about them getting hung up on things, because any little bump, any little hill.
Who must have gotten
The clearance isn't the best, is what the word is, right?
Yeah.
The clearance.
Well, they're at highway coast. Bye bye.
Bye, Bruce.
Thank you. You guys were wonderful.
Gotta love this job. Gotta love this job. All right, I'm almost done the vlog. One last thing that I haven't put in a lot of vlogs, but I'm going to on this one, is finding a place to boondock, or finding a place to sleep. So where have I been sleeping? I'm not supposed to sleep in this parking lot, so what I'm doing is I'm sleeping, this is called James Bay, this area that we're in. So I've been sleeping just on side streets in James Bay. And the reason that I haven't been doing any, or usually don't film me spending the night somewhere, is because I usually go and I edit the vlog and then I go to sleep. But I think I'm going to edit this vlog tomorrow morning so I can run you through what I look for in a dry camping spot. One of my favorite spots is down this road here. It's really quiet. The road's pretty wide, so, and there's not a lot of traffic that comes by, but you'll see these little signs there. There's a sign right there, and it says resident parking from 8 till 6 p.m. So I get here after 6 and I leave before 8 o'clock, and so nobody says anything, right? You get there late, leave early, nobody's gonna say anything. And actually I slept right there last night. I try to get as level as possible this way, and also this way, because some of these older streets, they dip towards the gutter, and so if you pull over on them, then you're kind of leaning this way for the night. So I try to get as level as possible. So here's a great place right here, guys. So here's a perfect street, really quiet. I'm right there, right? Residential street. There's a sign right by my camper, residential parking only, 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. It's after 5, so I am allowed to park here. This will be my home for tonight. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, go make some beans and rice tonight. I think that's what I'm gonna have for a late dinner. And yeah, and then in the morning, I work tomorrow morning. I'm like 30 seconds from work, hop in my truck and go to the work parking lot. It's an awesome life, my friends. Hope that you keep living that dream. Be true to who you are. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.